In today's video, I am going to show you the 4 upper key radicals. So we have 4-0, 4-1, and 4-2. And they all belong to 4 upper key, which is letter R on your keyboard. 4 as fundamental key is cross, and 0 is for square, and 2 is left turn, and 1 is horizontal. Okay, so let's begin with 4-0. And let's take a look at the first character. You can see here's a double cross here. So double cross, cross, they are all crossed. Continue, this stroke is 1 horizontal, and here is the square. So 4-0 is the 4-0 radical. Okay, so if you would like to type this character, you begin with 4-0, which is 4 upper key. Okay, and the rest you have a cross. So you press 4 middle, fundamental key, 4 middle, and space. Alright, next one right here in the middle, you can also see a 4-0, cross, 1, and square, so 4-0 in the middle. So we begin with 4 upper. And continue, left hand side is 3-1, begins with 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal. 3-1 is at 3 upper. And continue, this is 1-2, 1 horizontal, 2 left turn. 1-2 is at 1 upper. And last, 4 dots as fire. Fire is at a lower. This is exception, but whenever you look at this, even in the dictionary, these are fires. So fire is A8. A8 is at 8 lower, and space. First one. Alright, next. You can see right upper, here's a 4-0. Okay, so we begin with water, 3 lower, 3-8. Continue right upper, this is 4 zeros. So we hit 4 upper key. And the end, we have 1-8. You can see 2 horizontal line, and here's a person, 8. So 1-8. 1-8 is at 1 lower, and space. Okay, the next one is 4-1. 4 as cross, and 1 as horizontal. Let's begin with the first one, and first 3 are using 4-1. Let's see, 4 as cross, you can see here cross, and 1 horizontal. So we have here 4-1, and this one left hand side is 4-1, 4 cross and 1 horizontal. Okay, the first character begins with 4-1, so we hit 4 upper, and here's a 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle fundamental key. And last, this is 1-2, 1 horizontal, 2 left turn, 1-2. 1-2 is at 1 upper, and space. Alright, next one. On the top, we have 4-1, 4 upper. Continue, this is 8-1, A right falling and 2 dots, and 1 horizontal. So 8-1 is at 8 upper. And last is a cross, 4 cross, fundamental key, 4 middle, and space. First one. Alright, next one, left hand side, this is 4-1, 4 as cross, and 1 horizontal. 4-1 is at 4 upper. Continue, we have this left turn and 6 dots, and 2-6. 2-6 is at 2 lower. And next radical is 9-1. 9 left falling and 1 horizontal. 9-1. 9-1 is at 9 upper. And last we have 1-8, 1 horizontal, 8 person, 1-8 is at 1 lower, and space. Okay, the next one, it's similar, but the 2 horizontal, the upper one is shorter, and this time the upper one is longer. Okay, so this one, the same, we press 4 upper, and the rest square, so 0 middle fundamental key and space. The next one, left upper, this is also 4-1, so we hit 4 upper. Continue, this is 6-5 because it begins with 6 dot and end with this 5 right turn. So 6-5 is at 6 middle. Alright, continue. On the right hand side, the last radical is 9-8. 9 left falling and end with 8 right falling. So this radical on the right hand side is 9-8. 9-8 is at 9 lower and space. Okay, the next 4-1 radical here in the upper, you can see this is double cross, but vertical double cross is also cross. Okay, 4. And the last stroke is 1, so 4-1. And this character begins with 4-1, so we hit 4 upper. And the lower part, we have 7 lit and 2 horizontal line, 7-1-1. So we pick 7-1 as this radical. 7-1. 7-1 is at 7 upper and space. Alright, the next one in the middle, you can see, though the first stroke is left falling, but this radical, we call this 4-1 just like this one. So let's begin with 6-7. You can see 6 dot, 7 lit, and 6-7 is at 6 lower. In the middle, this one is 4-1, so we hit 4 upper. And last, we have a square 0 middle. Fundamental key and space. First one. Okay, the next 4-1 radical is right here and does not include this stroke. Okay, so we can see 4 is a cross, double cross, 4 and 1, 1, 4-1. And the reason this stroke does not include is the next, you can see the next character itself, we have 1, 2 here. So that's the difference. Okay, and how do you type this one? We begin with 4-1. You can see cross, double cross, and 1, 1. So 4-1 is at 4 upper. Continue, this one is a 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. And the next is 8 fundamental key, so we hit 8 middle. And last, you can see 4-1 just like this one in the beginning. 4-1, 4 upper again, and space. Alright, next one. So like I said, this doesn't include, so double cross and 1-1. 4-1 is at 4 upper. Continue, this 1, 2 is the next radical, and 1, 2 is at 1 upper. 1 horizontal, 2 left turn, 1, 2. Okay, and last we have this 2 strokes here. This is called 8 right falling. So we hit 8 middle and space. Okay, continue. The next 4-1 radical is right here. You can see double cross, 4, 1, continue, 1. Okay, now this upper part is 4-1. So 4-1 is at 4 upper. Continue, this middle farm begin with square, so 0. In the middle we have cross, 0, 4. And 0, 4 is at 0 upper. And last we have 8, so fundamental key, 8 middle, space. Alright, the next 4-1 radical is right here. You can see double cross and 1 horizontal line. So these 2 characters are using 4-1. Let's begin with this one. We begin with the 7 lit. You can see here 7 lit. Okay, so we hit 7 lit, fundamental key, 7 middle. And continue is the double cross, and then 1. So 4 1 is at 4 upper. And last we have 8, so we hit 8 middle fundamental key. Okay, next one, left hand side person as 8 right falling, so we hit 8 middle. And then right upper, this part is double cross 1, so 4 1 4 upper. And last we have right lower, this one is square and 1, so 0 1. 0 1 is at 0 upper space. Okay, the next radical I'm introducing is also 4 1. It's right here, you can see double cross and end with 1. So this is also 4 1. And you can see in the middle we have double cross and 1. Okay. It begins with 1 6. You can see horizontal, and this is 2 left turn and end with dot 6. So 1 6 is at 1 lower. Continue the middle double cross and 1 horizontal. 4 1 is at 4 upper. And the last one is a cross and 8. So this is 4 8. 4 8 is at 4 lower space. Next one, water on left hand side. So water 3 8 3 lower. Continue right upper. We have 4 1. So we hit 4 upper key. Continue, we have a lid. You can see here lid. So 7 middle fundamental key. And end with, this is that person, the opposite. This is also 8 right falling. So we hit 8 middle fundamental key and space. Okay, the next 4 1 radical is right here. You can see we have double cross. You can see double right here. Double cross and end with 1 horizontal. So this upper part is 4 1. And this character begins with 6 0. You can see left hand side. This radical begins with dot 6 and with 0. 6 0 is at 6 upper. Right upper radical, like I said, this is 4 1 4 upper. Continue, we are writing this 7 lid. So 7 lid, 7 middle fundamental key. And the rest is a 4 1 again, just like this one. Okay, so 4 cross and 1 horizontal, 4 1 4 upper key space. Okay, the last one is right here in the middle. We have 4 crosses here. 1 2 3 4 4 cross, and end with 1 horizontal. So 4 1 is at 4 upper. And this character begins with 9 1. 9 left falling, 1 horizontal. 9 1 is at 9 upper. And the middle, like I said, 4 1 4 upper. And this one fire. So we have fire I think in 4 1. So fire 8 8 8 lower and space. Okay, the last radical for upper key is 4 2. And 4 is cross, and 2 as left turn. Okay, so let's take a look. The upper part, we have cross, double cross, so this is 4. And the next stroke is 1 horizontal, and end with this. These two are 2 left turn, so this upper part, this radical is 4 2. 4 2 is at 4 upper. Continue, we have a 7 lid, 7 middle fundamental key. Next is also a 7 lid, so 7 middle again. And last stroke is 3 vertical, so we hit 3 middle fundamental key in space. Alright, that's all for the 4 upper key radicals of array input method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.